Hello Busketeer, welcome to Buska. I'm Tony and I'm gonna walk you through today on how to do the sign up and the setup of your account on Buska. But don't blink because it's gonna be super fast and super easy. So if you have a Google account, just click on the continue button. If not, click on the join Buska button here. On this screen, you can again connect with Google. Otherwise, just type in your email, your password and your referral code if you have one. Then join Buska. We'll send you an activation link just to make sure you're not a robot. Just go to your email, click the link, and that's it for the sign up. Then log in again, your email and password. We show you a little welcome message to explain what we do. Then you just have to type in the keyword you want to search, in our case Buska. Click continue. We ask you to choose a team name because in the future you might want to add new people to your team. Then we invite you to put in your first name and last name because you're not just a number to us. Then if you want, you can add the country and the type of company you work for. And that's it. You're done. We scan the web and there you have it. The latest mentions of your brand at your fingertips. All of that under 2 minutes. Enjoy!